Sammy, what's going on here?
I'm getting ready for my birthday. Isn't it nice?
Don't you think it's a bit too much? Let me help you.
Okay, let's do it, Sue.
But first things first. Happy birthday, Sammy.
How nice. Thanks. But what is it?
Patience, my friend. You'll see in a moment.
Open it faster, Sue. I'm so curious.
This set will make your party super duper fun.
Holy cannoli, that's amazing! Do you like it, guys? Wow, there are so many cool things here. Sue, is there a garland there? Let's hang it!
Sure. Here it is, Sammy.
But it's too small. I want it to be bigger. Look at this garland. This size is perfect.
It's just a preview, Sammy. Look at this.
This space party is gonna rock!
Let's cut your garland out first.
I can't wait for this legendary party to begin! Ah!
Now, we need to fold it this way.
Don't worry, Sue. It's special space training.
That's what it'll look like. Oh, do you need help, Sammy?
Nope. Everything is going according to plan.
Then, I'll clear some space for your training.
Finished. Now I'm ready for any... Huh?
Whoa!
Sue, what is it? Looks like fun.
These are party games. I'll glue them now.
So, how do we play them?
I'll show you. We'll need markers. First, we gotta help the telescope find stars.
I see. Let's match the rocket and the planet.
I'll use a different color.
I got it. In the next game, we need to find words. Yay!
Right! Have you found any?
Just give me a second. Uh-huh. We gotta find these words. Guys, do you see any of them? I see blast. Sue, circle it before I lose it again. These games are so cool. I'm sure my guests will love them too. Sue, I want to try coloring, can I?
Sure, Sammy. Look, you're so cute here.
I'm gonna be not just cute, but also pink. And finished. It looks awesome. How do we play the other games?
Look, here, we need to outline this astronaut.
It looks tricky. I don't think that just anyone can do it.
You just need to be careful and move slowly.
Look at this. I love tic-tac-toe. Can't wait to play.
We have lots of games here. For example, color all the stars, or get through the labyrinth, or find 5 differences. And here, you can note down your results.
Sue, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Color everything before the party?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my feta, it's beautiful. And we still have some games to play at the party! Yay!
So, have you decided who are you going to invite?
Sure! And I'll send them these amazing invitations!
Whose names shall I write?
Barbie! She's the soul of any party! And Ken, of course!
Here you go, Sammy. What about the dates?
I can't wait, Sue! Let's make it today! Let's invite Penguin and Elsa, too! They'll love this party!
Okay, the invitations are ready. Huh? What was that?
Huh? Huh? What's this?
What? I've got something else. Can you guess what it is, Sammy?
I think these are plates for my birthday cake.
Nope. Try again. Any ideas?
No, I still don't understand what it... I got it! These are space-themed party hats!
Exactly. They're cute, right?
Yep, I'm taking the one with Lil Sammy. Now, what about food?
I'm not sure what we'll eat, but I know how to serve it. Here, we'll have sweets.
Wow, I really love it. Popcorn buckets, bottle labels, cupcake toppers. We've got so much cool stuff. Sue, it's officially the best gift in the world.
If you want to have the same set, guys, check the link in the description. Now, let's move on with the bottle labels.
We even have measurements listed here. How convenient! I hope our cupcakes will be as pretty as these toppers.
I'm sure of it. Your taste in sweets has never let us down. Voila! Look how cute it is.
Look, Sue, I'm a master of origami.
Awesome! It's just what we need. I can't wait to use these lovely decorations.
Sue, we're almost there. Take a look. Let's get it started, yeah. We need more soda. Whee! It's gonna be legendary. No popcorn, no party. Yay!
Sammy, watch out. Be careful with food.
Oops, sorry. I got carried away.
Yeah, I've noticed.
Sue, take this popcorn before it's too late.
Ta-da! What about these boxes?
I've got a great idea. Gummy bears, your time has come. Ready, steady, go! Fill the boxes! Faster! Faster! Hurry up!
Wow, you've got them under control.
Good, bears! I'm so proud of you. Great job.
We also have stickers. Should we use them as well?
Awesome! Gotta choose where to stick them. Where shall we put them? Aha!
You can use this one, Sammy.
I've got a great idea. It's gonna be fantastic. Anyone would want to drink out of such a cup.
And anyone would want to play this cosmic game. Ha-ha.
Cool. But we need to think of game pieces. I'll find the best game pieces. Maybe this? Nope. Huh? What is this doing here? It's a bit too big and heavy. Ouch! Definitely too big.
Sammy, we already have these rocket-shaped game pieces.
Wow, they're perfect.
Sammy, you can choose the rocket you like most.
Of course, it's gonna be pink. Can we start?
Everything's ready. Invite your guests.
Woohoo! What an amazing party! Hey, what are you doing?
We're busy. I won. No, it was me.
Huh, must be an exciting game.
Come on, you can do it!
I'll do it! I'll do it! I overestimated myself.
The best party ever!
Yay!
These space games are so interesting. Whee! We've got a surprise for you, Sammy.
I almost forgot!
Ta-da! Happy birthday, Sammy!
Wow, guys, is it really for me? I'm so happy. I did it! Hooray!
Happy birthday!
You're great, Sammy. Be happy in pink. Sammy, you're very important to me. I want… Huh?
Oops, did you say anything?
Something with the help of this thingy.
What?
Watch closely, Sammy. We take one bead and place it here, and then go more beads like this.
This is so boring. We need more action. I'll just pick this stuff up here. Right. Let me show you how it's done. Now you see, that's what I'm talking about. Huh? What is this? Wait a minute, Sue. What are we supposed to end up with?
What do you think it looks like, Sammy?
Like the little man's having a dance battle.
What? No! Sammy, move over! Or I won't be able to add more beads in here.
This is taking too long, I'm telling ya. Let me help you out. Tibby-dabba-doo!
Thank you. It is so much easier that way.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, folks. Are you ready? And 1, and 2, and let's go! Look what we got! A pretty cool astronaut.
Cool! It's not just cool, it's super duper cool! In fact, I have an idea. Give me a sec! Now, where did I put that thing? Oh, here it is. Here, we're going to need this canvas. Let's paint the space. Do you have space paints?
Of course, Sammy. Any color you want. Let's start with the darkest one. First, we'll paint the edges of our future picture.
Hey, can I ask you something? What planet did you come from? Oh, wow! I see! I think the next color should be pink.
Wait, we need to put some blue on first. Here we go.
Oh, it looks so cool from this angle.
Don't distract me, Sammy. It takes total concentration. Let's add a new color. Purple! The most cosmic of all!
Sue, when are we gonna use pink?
Patience, Sammy. Just a couple more touches, and that's it!
Pink! Finally! But it looks kind of weird. Are you trying to make a black hole or something?
No! This is not a black hole, Sammy. Just wait a little bit. You'll see for yourself soon enough.
Then maybe that pink spot is supposed to represent me? That would be cool!
Sorry, Sammy, but it's not. Space is stunningly beautiful and colorful, so I'll just mix different colors to make it bright.
Okay, then I won't watch it until it's done, so we can marvel at the beauty of it later. Is it ready? Wow! I can't believe how beautiful it is.
But we're not done yet. Could you bring me brushes, please?
Oh, okay, I'm on it. Brushes? I think we had them around somewhere. Maybe over here? Oh, here they are. There you go, Sue. I just don't understand why you need them.
For a neat little trick. We take a brush and tap it with a second brush. The white paint splatters will look just like stars. Isn't that cool?
Not as cool as my new spacesuit. Yay! Give it back. It's mine.
Our space looks kind of empty right now, so let's add the moon.
Sue, give me one of those. Thank you. Stamp, 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 stamp. This is fun. Now just a little bit more. And it's done. Phew. I did everything I could. It's your turn.
Thank you. I'll just add a little more dark color. Now, we can remove our stencil. Well, what do you think?
Oh, it's so beautiful. Hey, astronaut. Hey, buddy. Good news. You can finally go to space. Look, you can get ready to land on the moon. Can we launch him into space already?
Wait, just a few more touches.
Oh, okay.
I want to add another planet to our picture, but it won't just be a planet. It would be a planet with rings. Do you know any planets with rings, friends?
Saturn! I I know a lot about space. By the way, are you done?
Yep, let me just take off the masking tape. Well, how do you like it? I think it's amazing.
Whoa! It's awesome! Is that really our painting? I can't believe we painted this!
And here's the astronaut coming in for a landing.
Bring it in, Sue! I found a perfect space for it! Oh, it's a space for a picture about space. Did you get it? I've got something else here. Just give me a minute. Huh? Hey, Sue, I made another bead thing. Hurry up and get it. It's going to make a cool craft.
Ah, well, I didn't waste any time either. But it seems a little unfinished.
What? Really? I didn't even notice that. What would I do without you? I wonder what we'll end up with.
Don't worry, I'll fix it in no time. Actually, I'm excited to see what comes out too.
So, is it ready? Whoa, it's a real spaceship. I'm flying. Sue, look, I'm flying. Yay! Ouch! Tough landing.
For this painting, I'm just going to squeeze the paint right out of the tube. Like this. And we're going to paint with this wide brush. Just be bold and make broad strokes. Here comes the lighter shade. I'm gonna squeeze the paint. Now I'll spread with the brush across the canvas. This way. Let's also add something extra. I think you're gonna love this, Sammy. Come have a look.
Huh? Are those clouds in space that I didn't expect?
And since you love pink so much, here's a pink cloud. Pretty creative, huh?
But, it doesn't look very spacey. Ah! Now I see it! There are stars in space!
Exactly.
Okay, let's hurry up and launch our rocket already. Whee! Come on, Sue. How much longer?
Hold on, I'm not done yet.
Yay! Fine, then I'll go to the other moon.
Let's use the same trick as before and scatter some more stars across the night sky.
Perfecto! I knew the other moon would look great in this picture. Hey, what? Come back here!
This is its place, Sammy.
I see! Then I'll go get the rocket! So where did that rocket go? Friends, do you see where it is? Oh! Hey, wait for me!
And we're landing!
Finally! It's so beautiful! Come on, let's go hang it up!
So where should we hang them?
Maybe here? Nah. Let's try to find the right place. That's too far.
Oh, there's an open spot. That's more like it. Perfect.
What a view! Now it's not just a room, but a real space room. Yay!
I think I could be an astronaut.
Of course! With those inspirational pictures, easy. Give us a like if you enjoyed our space video, fellas.
And subscribe to the channel.
Bye, everyone. Okay, let's eat.